What if I told you that right now, in 2025, regular people are using AI tools to generate over $1,000 per month in passive income? In fact, I found someone who made $535,000 last year using just 5 AI tools. And no, they didn't need any special skills, coding experience, or massive startup funds. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI tools they used, how much money each one can realistically make you, and the exact steps to start earning this week. But first, make sure you're subscribed, because I'm about to reveal the specific strategies that 90% of people trying to make money with AI are completely missing. I've spent the last 3 months researching real case studies, analyzing income reports, and testing these AI tools myself. What I discovered will shock you. According to Upwork's latest data, freelancers using AI tools are earning 40% higher rates than those who aren't. But here's the kicker. Most people are using these tools completely wrong. Today, I'm breaking down the exact 5 AI tools that are printing money for people right now, with real earnings proof, specific income methods, and step-by-step instructions you can follow tonight. Let's start with the biggest surprise on this list, Midjourney. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't the AI art market saturated? Wrong. Here's proof. This person made $76,000 in 2024 selling AI-generated designs on Etsy. And get this, they only spend 1 hour per week managing their shop. That's $1,460 per hour of work. Here's exactly how to start. Sign up for Midjourney's $10 monthly plan. Focus on high-demand niches like sublimation designs, wall art, or digital planners. Use specific prompts like minimalist floral design, clean lines, commercial use. Upload 10 to 20 designs weekly to Etsy, Redbubble, or Creative Market. The key is volume and consistency. Number 2 is ChatGPT, and this is where things get really interesting. Content creators are earning $2,000 to $10,000 monthly using ChatGPT for freelance writing and copywriting, charging $5,200 per hour. Course creation and digital products, where one blogger made $78,000 monthly. YouTube channel automation for scripting and content planning, business consulting with AI implementation services. Your action plan: Week 1, master prompt engineering for your chosen niche. Week 2, create samples and build a portfolio on Upwork or Fiverr. Week 3, start applying for $25.50 hourly writing jobs. Week 4, scale by creating templates and systems. Tool number 3 is Canva AI. And this one's perfect for beginners. Social media managers and designers are earning $30 to $100 per hour using Canva AI for social media content packages at $200 to $500 per client monthly. Brand identity design for $500 to $2,000 per project. Template creation generating $500 to $5,000 monthly passive income. Quick start strategy. Day 1, learn Canva's AI background remover and magic design. Day 2, create 50 social media templates in your niche. Day 3, list templates on Etsy, Creative Market, or Gumroad. Day 4, reach out to 10 small businesses offering social media packages. Number 4 is Notion AI, and this might be the most underrated moneymaker on this list. Here's how people are monetizing Notion AI. Business workspace setup for $500 to $2,000 per project. Template creation, where some creators have made over $1 million annually. Productivity coaching at $75 to $200 hourly rates. Database and CRM solutions with ongoing monthly retainers. Your 30-day plan. Week 1, master Notion AI features and workflow automation. Week 2, create 5 high-value templates for project management, CRM, content planning. Week 3, launch on Gumroad and start building your audience. Week 4, offer setup services on Upwork and LinkedIn. And finally, tool number 5, Synthesia. Video specialists using Synthesia are earning corporate training videos for $100 to $500 per hour, marketing and explainer videos at $75 to $300 hourly, multilingual content services for $50 to $200 per hour, agency-level projects worth $2,000 to $20,000 per project. Now let's talk reality. Based on my research, here's what you can realistically expect. Month 1 to $500 while learning and building. Month 3 to 6, $500 to $2,000 as you gain traction. Month 6 to 12, $2,000 to $5,000 with consistent effort. Year 2 and beyond, $5,000 to $10,000 plus with multiple income streams. If you're serious about building wealth with AI in 2025, you need to stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Pick one tool from today's video and commit to learning it this week. Comment below which tool you're choosing, and I'll personally reply with my best tip to get you started faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.